Hello again, welcome to day 2 of OET Learnuary. This is of course where I've challenged you to watch a video every day in February to make it OET Learnuary and help improve your vocabulary, general OET skills and do some practice as well. So today's a bit of a vocabulary builder for you, and my phrase for you is get over. What does it mean? So I've got some examples here for you. We could say, it can take a few weeks to get over an illness like pneumonia. Now this is definitely true because it's happened to me. Quite a few years ago now, I actually had atypical pneumonia and it took me weeks to get over it. I managed to get rid of the pneumonia eventually with a couple of different sets of antibiotics. Luckily it wasn't intravenous, but it was nearly there, but then I just managed to get over it. But the whole tiredness and the whole after effects took me quite a while to get over. But what does it mean? Then a patient might say to you, I think I've got over the worst. So this of course is present perfect here. I've got over the worst. Or someone might say to you, she still hasn't got over the loss of her brother from cancer. So these are 3 ideas here for get over, and a bit of a bonus for you. Let's get this over and done. So we have something in between here. Get this, get something, over and done, and then that's the worst bit, over and done. No get in this case. But what does it mean? Well, in the first 3, get over means recover. So it can take a few weeks to recover from. We would need the preposition from. Recover from an illness. I think I have recovered from the worst of it now, and she still hasn't recovered from the loss of her brother. I don't suppose you ever do really, but I'm sure over time things get a little bit easier. So in this case, get over means recover, and the preposition is recover from. What about the other 2? Well, in this case, the idea here is to finish something. Let's get this over and done. So if you're taking blood from a patient, they might say to you, let's get this over and done. Let's finish this. I'm not looking forward to it and I just want to get this over with. I just want to finish it and get out of here. And once you've inserted the needle and you're taking the blood, you can say to them, that's the worst bit over, because of course that's the bit that nobody likes when they get the needle actually into them. Well, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to join us for the next instalment of OET Learnuary. Take care. Bye-bye.